What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Have you guys seen this Bloomhouse Cookware? This is ceramic cookware. And when I first saw it, I fell in love with it. It has these upright gold handles. And it looks like it's going to be amazing. We're going to get our first look at Bloomhouse today. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So it's Cookware Wednesday. It's Cookware Wednesday. We got the cookware on Wednesday. My favorite subject, the cookware. It's my favorite subject, right? So this is Bloomhouse Cookware, and it's ceramic cookware. So it doesn't have all those PFAS, PFOA, forever chemicals in it, right?
Lead and cadmium.
Yeah, no lead, no cadmium, non-toxic, heavy gauge, and every time you buy one of these, they plant a tree, right? One tree planted in partnership. Good for you, good for the planet. Nourish is our nature. So I'm going to put links down in the description to this so you can take a look at these. These look amazing. When I saw these turned up handles like that, I was like, I got to see this cookware. Do you guys like cookware on Wednesday? I love cookware on Wednesday, right? So let's see. When I saw these raised up handles, I was like, right? Because I am a geek for some cookware. Like, geek for some cookware. And this, number one, the box is beautiful. Here's our lid. Comes in a little pouch. Pouchy. Here's our lid. Whoa, yeah. And here is the pan. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, I love these handles like this. I don't know why, but I do.
Well, they're shiny.
They're shiny. They're grab them just like this. These are amazing. Here's our lid, and here's our pan. Look at that. So this is called a 6-quart Dutch oven, kind of like a soup pot, quasi-stock pot. It has the ceramic nonstick in here. This pan is beautiful, like beautiful, over the top, beautiful, right? With this on there, aha! Look at that.
How's the bottom?
This is how the bottom looks.
Do we know anything about it? Is it is it induction?
Yeah, it's induction, all kinds, gas. The only thing is when you have pans like this and you have a smooth top cooktop, you really need to make sure you don't move them around in there because, this doesn't have some of them have grooves here. And so it could scratch your cooktop. This says hand wash recommended. These are not dead beautiful, right? Wow, look at that. That is a beautiful, beautiful piece of cookware. I'm excited to use this cookware because it's beautiful, right? So this is a 6-quart Saute Pan with lid.
I don't know. Why don't you open it, my lady?
My cookware lover. The crazy cookware lady.
Crazy cookware lady.
So you can buy these pieces individually or in set. Woo! 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 Oh, wow! I like it. Whoa, look at that. Very nice, right? Think I like it. I think I'm in love with the pan. Is that possible? Oh, weird. You can enjoy it.
What's that? Mr. Lover Pan. Shabba.
Whoa. Okay. Very nice. Number one, it has a beautiful box. Look at that. Bloomhouse. Look at that turned up handle there in gold. Ah, I think I like it. I think I love it. I'm weird for some
I think Amy just
fancy pants.
You're just gonna stare at these pans. That's all you
Some people like fancy pants. I like fancy pants. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. So we have a little message from the founder of the company and a little use and care guide. And here we have a bag, very nicely presented. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, this is a beauty. This is beautiful.
Not one bit of plastic in the boxing.
No. They're very much into keeping it natural. Whoa. Very nice. Whoa, look at that. That is a beauty, huh? So we have the turned up handles on there again. We got the lid. Wow. That is a beautiful pan right there. Mm-hmm. Look at that. That is a beautiful pan. Mm-hmm. I love it. The beautiful gold handle. Look at that.
You can do a lot of spaghetti in those two pans here.
Yeah. I love this handle. It makes it really easy to move this pan around. I love it. Okay, cooks, let's see what we got in this one. In this one, I think it's pans.
Well, I'm sure the pans are what on.
Nice. We got 2 pans in here. Ooh. So this looks like a frying pan, and this one is a 3-quart saucepan. Okie doke. So this, we have a frying pan. Perfect. Ooh, again. Very nice. Ooh, very nice. Look at that. Mm-hmm. So here is a frying pan. Very nice, little cute pan. This is a little 8-inch. It's good for sauteing up some onions. You're going to make your cheesesteak, right? Cute! Look at that. Mm-hmm. Isn't that a cute little thing? So you can fry up a little onion, put a little cheese sandwich in here, right? This is cute. So that is the back. Whoa, I love this. These are really, really nice. And this is a saucepan. This is the funnest thing I get to do as a cook, is look at new cookware. Whoa, okay, so we have a 3-quart saucepan. Nice. Ooh. So here's the lid. I love the cream trimmed in gold. Look at that. Beautiful.
Well, the color is a taupe or something.
Taupe.
T-A-U.
Taupe.
Taupe.
Linen. Some say linen and some say taupe. Tape.
Sure.
And here is our saucepan.
Ooh.
Nice, right? So cute. So this is a 3-quart. There's the lid. Oh, the nice ceramic coating in here. That right there is a beautiful pan. I love the gold accents. I absolutely love it. So cooks, this is our first look at the Bloomhouse Cookware. Can you believe how beautiful this is? I mean, come on. Yeah, I love it. I haven't used it yet and I already am in love with it, right? We are going to give this a try. We're going to, Eric first said, are you going to make me some pasta?
Yeah.
Should we make him some pasta in this?
Spaghetti.
Yeah, we can make spaghetti and meatballs.
Yeah.
Spaghetti, right? Eric loves spaghetti. He'll eat it every single day, right?
Mm-hmm.
Bloomhouse. My first look at this, it's amazing. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it so far. So stay tuned. We're going to be putting this through the paces. I hope you enjoyed this. What's up? It's Wednesday. Links for this are down in the description. Have an amazing day.